I still managed to, come back late in the game, hindi nga lang na-finish. Assessment nyo lang with the way you guys performed in game 1.
Yeah, I think it's very clear, the first quarter or the first half, is the culprit, because we didn't play the way we played before. But credit it to the game plan of Token Tex. They were able to contain our shooter, and if you notice, ang gumawa sa amin for big man. Okay, I think that's 54 points from Dimar Pajardo at saka si Rodney. But our big man, especially the bench namin, hindi nagkaroon. But sabi ko nga, credit sa defense. Like they're trying to deny the ball to getting to the wingman recipient, mga entry pass. Ganyan. And they have a very clear yung game plan nila is talagang to stop our bench, especially yung mga perimeter shooter namin.
Sila naman lang yung dyan sa kanya sa kanyang hinabol nyo and almost still the game lalo na naka-sign sa Jericho.
Yeah, ayun na ni-address ko doon sa team bago kami maghiwa-hiwalay. Imagine in the second half, we beat them by 12 points. Unfortunately, 17 points yung lamang nila sa amin. That's why naging 96-91. So the mere fact na we're able to get that kind of a production in the second half, so the chance is still there. It's a matter of mindset. This is championship game. Every possession is very important, especially in the first quarter. But we give up a lot of 3 points. Nung first quarter, especially Enciso was able to score a lot. And then si Boy Eram, very crucial, tumira, ganyan. So I think next time siguro may address ko lahat, and then we should have a better plan. This is a best of 7, so we have to adjust.